Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up opportunity stages in Salesforce for cleaner pipeline, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up opportunity stages in Salesforce for a cleaner pipeline, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu located in the top right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Opportunity Stages to locate the relevant settings. Click on Sales Processes under the Opportunity section to review existing processes. Choose the sales process you would like to modify, or create a new one if necessary. Click Edit on the selected sales process to access the opportunity stages. Next, you will see the option to add, remove, or rearrange opportunity stages. To add a new stage, select the appropriate stage from the available options. Set the stage probability to reflect its likelihood of closing successfully. For each stage, define the expected duration, which helps in forecasting. Consider renaming any stages to fit your sales methodology better. Once you have made your changes, click Save to apply them to the sales process. Return to the Opportunity Stages settings and ensure the new stages are correctly assigned. Next, review any existing opportunities to see if they reflect your new stages. If necessary, update the stages for these opportunities to ensure consistency. Conduct training sessions for your sales team to familiarize them with the updated pipeline. Finally, monitor the effectiveness of your new opportunity stages over time. Adjust as needed based on team feedback and sales performance metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.